Hello everyone. Today let's go over an easy question that I finally solved on my own after a lot of trial and error for a long time. As you can see, I tried it over half a year ago and I just always slipped up with some edge cases. So I think the issue was that I used a heap instead of a sorted list. So I used a sorted list this time and I was able to do it. So let's go ahead and review it. So essentially you're given an integer array and you want to return an integer. You're given another integer k and you want to simulate a couple of actions every single k seconds. So basically you want to choose the pile with the maximum number of gifts, which is the biggest number, and then basically delete that and replace it with the square root, which is going to be 10. And then you keep doing this. So next would be 64. You would replace that with 8. And then 25 will replace with 5, with 3, and with 2 because that's a square root. So let's go ahead and create a sorted list of gifts. And then while k is bigger than 0, because we want to find the number of remaining gifts after k seconds, so we're going to do this k times, prevent an infinite loop. And now let's say we want the replacement to be s of -1 int square root, because we want to take the biggest one. Sorted list basically says 4, 9, 25, 64, 100. So you're going to take this, you're going to replace it with 9, 25, 64. You're going to replace it with 10. And then you're basically, this is now going to be here instead because the sorted list keeps that in order. And now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to replace 4, 9, 10, 25 with 8. And that's going to go here now, which a sorted list takes care of automatically. And then we're going to keep doing that exactly k times, so 4 times. And then after we do this, so we want to delete the original 100. So delete s of -1, and then s.add your replacement, which is the square root of whatever we just deleted. And then at the end, let's print s. So as you can see, that's good. And now we just want to sum them up. So you can just return the sum of s. So there you go, passes all test cases. Again, not the most efficient, but I did come up with this on my own. So I'm pretty happy because I did struggle with this for a long time, as I said. So pretty simple as long as you know how to use a sorted list. Again, I tried using a heap for the longest time, but I just kept running into different errors and it just made it a lot more complicated than it needed to be. So I recommend a sorted list instead. So thank you for watching and hopefully you found this helpful. This is a similar question, well, not to a grind 75. I thought it was, just thought there. But thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.